How to do your math assignments on Khan Academy. First, we're going to go to the student resource page here, and then we're going to go down till you get to your math course. The math courses by Khan Academy will be Algebra B, Geometry, Algebra 2, and soon to come Pre-Calculus and Calculus. So you don't need to do every unit. You'll see the units that you need to do here: 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, and 13 for Algebra B. So let's go to Unit 2, click here, and you will see Unit 2, and you will start the first one here and work your way to the quiz, and then do the next 3, work your way to the next quiz, 3, and then the quiz, and then finally the test. When you do a quiz, you'll have plenty of choices. I suggest starting to attempt the quiz first before learning the lessons, and see if you can answer this. So let's say I put the wrong answer in, but let's say I think this is 2, and it says no, it's not 2. Now, the first thing I want you to do, if you cannot solve this, click here and say show the steps, and click all the hints, and you can see all the steps to how to solve this, and write the steps down so you can use them for the next problem. Now I'm going to put the number 4 in here instead of the 2, and it should be able to move on. Okay, and you'll keep this process up. So that'll be step 1. If step 1 is that if you miss a problem, you can look at the answers. Step 2, if that doesn't work, you can click on the videos here to watch how the problem is solved. And see, I click here, and you get to see Khan Academy's video. Now, if you've done both of those things and it still doesn't work out, you can ask me Sensei online for help with this particular problem. You can tell me that this is from Unit 2, number 1, from Algebra Unit 2, number 1. And I can make a video of how to solve that problem. So and then I'll post that video on our private pages for videos, and you'll be able to click onto it, and I'll list it as Algebra 1, Unit 2, problem number 1. Now, you can only get credit if problems are done sequentially. This is 2.1 right here. This is 2.2, 2.3. If you skip and do, let's say, 2.5 here, you can't get credit for it until everything up to 2.5 is done. So you'll have to have 2.1, 2, 3, 6. You have to have 2.1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 done before you get credit for 2.6. So skipping around, you can't get credit yet for it. You can only get credit sequentially. Okay, you have to have 2.1, 2.3, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 done. Okay, now the exercises here in the units, they have to be done at 100%, and so it'll become purple when you have done it at 100%. So that's what we need, 100% on all of these. The quizzes can be done at 80%, and also the tests can also be done at 80%. And you will show us your work, and we'll write it down as quiz 1, 80%, maybe quiz 2, 90%, maybe quiz 3 is 100%, and maybe your test from Unit 2 was 95%. So we'll write those down as you do a share screen.